My name is Charles Tran, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Novice Builder. In the last video, the excavation was completed, and now the focus shifts to soil compacting. This step is crucial for ensuring a strong and stable foundation, preventing any future shifting or settling. If you want a detailed step-by-step breakdown of the process, including the equipment used and essential safety measures, be sure to check out my full tutorial video in the description below. This time-lapse gives you a fast-paced view, but by subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. Here's the process in action, shown in time-lapse. And that's it. The soil is now properly compacted and ready for the next phase of construction. Up next, plumbing. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete playlist, or by subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.